When you see the check all-wheel drive and also check engine lights in your Toyota Highlander, the first and easiest thing to do is to check the fuel cap. It's very often that a poorly tightened cap causes these two lights to go on the dash. So before you set an appointment with your dealership, retighten the fuel cap and try driving several miles. Obviously this can be a bad purge valve or evap canister valve, but I don't see these parts failing in Toyotas very often. The second possible issue is the poor quality gas that contaminated the injectors. The Highlander engines have pretty tender injectors and they require top quality gas to run for a long time. Also, if they are clogged, you shouldn't use any $5 cleaning sprays because this can damage the injectors. Dealers will charge more than $300 for cleaning the injection system, so you may opt for an independent shop. Actually, this is one more thing to try before you go to the dealership and pay for a very expensive inspection. Thirdly, a very low battery that barely starts your engine is one of the possible culprits. When the voltage in the vehicle drops, several control modules may go crazy and start throwing unrelated warnings and lights on the dash. If the battery is older than 5 years, you may consider replacing it. Otherwise, get a good battery charger and give your battery some juice. This may help with the lights. To reset the warnings, you may also disconnect the battery for several minutes and then see if the lights go back or not. If these relatively simple solutions don't help you solve the problem, you will need a good scanner compatible with Toyota vehicles. The all-wheel drive light may be illuminating because of the issues with the engine, like misfiring or some engine sensor going crazy, and on high mileage vehicles the differential or the transmission may also cause these issues, but there is nothing much you can do on your own in these cases, so you will have to find a good mechanic to deal with this.